Literally never been so scared in my life. Hey, I'm Crystal, and this is Alex, and this is our fur baby Dexter. Together, we bought a Tanzer 26 and are currently sailing on Lake Ontario. We are complete beginners with no previous experience. Subscribe and join us as we learn how to sail and fix up our boat. Good morning, everybody. It's day 4. We just left our friends.
We had no friggin' wind, but we got it.
As soon as we put our sails up, the wind completely died and it was so hot. So I'm soaking wet because I jumped in the water. And anyways, there's a storm supposed to be rolling in, so we were trying to get out of there quick, but I don't know, it was like no wind. And then all of a sudden, wind started to pick up and now all the clouds are rolling in. And we're just going to find coverage at another anchorage that's a little bit more protected, because there is supposed to be some intense kind of nasty weather coming in today and for tomorrow. This is the bottom of Wolf Island and it's supposed to be a pretty good holding, and it's all 14 feet of water, so it'll be really nice. And it's kind of like a little nook, which will be completely protected from where the winds will be coming from.
Isn't there road access there?
And there is road access,
yeah. So if you have a fur baby or something like that, you'll be able to take them to shore.
It's actually like really nice weather. We've got all full sails up right now.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Might have to reduce some sails in a bit, but we'll see.
Yeah, the gust might pick up a bit. We started off with the 2 reefs in the main because it's supposed to be gusty, and then we got the sails up and the wind died. But we might have to put maybe just 1 reef in the main, and we probably won't have to double reef it, but
we'll throw at least one reef in. We don't lose that much speed.
Gust right now. Anyways, bye for now because it's getting gusty. All right, holy shit, everybody. We just, as soon as I went to put a reef in the main, this gust picked up out of nowhere. We have never heeled that much in our boat ever in my life. I'm like, friggin' my heart is pounding. I thought we were gonna tip. It's still really windy, so can't chat long. It's starting to rain, and we just took down the head sail, and we're just with the double reef main right now because it's friggin' wild out.
Yeah.
Literally never been so scared in my life. Well, I guess we didn't need to go for a swim earlier today because it's friggin' pouring. It's still kind of gusty. The wind's kind of getting a bit better right now, but the rain just came in and the waves are coming, so it's pretty crazy out. Dexter, oh thanks, thank you for that one. Thanks, bud.
Let me see if I can get this thing.
Okay, we're back. So we took down the sail, the wind got really shifty and it kept kind of switching different directions. So we took it down and it's starting to kind of pass over now. It's still kind of windy, but the rain is starting to let up. We did put the cover up. Everything was getting soaked inside, and we have all of our solar equipment and battery and stuff, everything in there.
Yeah, we had Dexter inside, so normally we would have thrown the cover on, but this was his first storm too, so we wanted him to be able to see us and stuff and everything, so we threw the motor on so we could get this all covered up. Yeah. He's actually handling it very well. He doesn't like the motor on, and he doesn't like being without us, but we just don't feel comfortable with having him out in the cockpit right now. It's just a little bit too much for us to watch him and also try to like maneuver the boat. We were literally heeled over almost to 45 degrees. We had full sails. Then I said to Alex, oh, I think it's gonna get gusty, we should put a reef in, and then that's when I like kind of turned the camera off. And then I went up there to start putting the reef in, and then that's when the boat started to heel over. So I was actually up front when that all happened. It wasn't supposed to hit until 2 o'clock, and it was only about noon. So yeah, weather's not always correct. We went from taking like 20 minutes to 30 minutes getting out of the bay. Just gusted.
Yeah. I feel like today was enough sailing experience for me. I don't know about Alex. He probably enjoyed every second of it, being heeled over and like the side of our boat touching water.
But the one plus that we can take from this is we've done lots of research and we've, looked at videos and stuff like that of what to do in this situation. So this was a great learning experience to kind of test all that stuff out. It was more extreme than what we would have liked to test it out, but it did let us test out, like going downwind or into the wind to reduce the sails and stuff like that, pulling the boom in to reduce the amount of wind it's catching, putting reefs in and stuff.
I'm definitely ready for a nap now.
It went really good, like honestly.
I'm definitely ready for a nap though now.
Yeah, we'll go, we'll anchor in, we'll get our hook down, nice and set, have some, well, it won't be sundowners because it's a while till sundown, but
but it feels like I'm ready for one.
Sundowners, yeah. For sure.
Oh my god. Alex is hell-bent on sailing today. So we just put the main back up with the double reef. heading into our anchorage now. We're gonna drop the sail and throw the anchor down and relax for the rest of the day.
Yep.
I'm here only because your stare won't ever let me go. I'm here only because I'm aware with you is better than all alone. Oh, say what you're dying to say.
Well, we've arrived at the anchorage. We dropped the anchor. Everything's kind of all put away and set up now. It's still really windy, but this is probably one of the better protected spots that we can be for tonight. So we're in Brakey Bay, just on the bottom of Wolf Island, and the holding is like amazing. We dropped the anchor and it grabbed instant. Like it was no question about it. So yeah, so we feel pretty secure for tonight, I think, with the wind being this strong and
ready for the storm. It is what it is. We're still on vacation.
Yeah, and we're learning a lot too.
Yeah.
We're becoming really good sailors, I feel like.
We're veterans at this point.
Conductor's becoming really good. And then, yeah, there's a spot that has like a road access with a little bridge. So at least we'll be able to kind of go for a walk with Dex. And yeah, we're going to cook up some food, go for a swim. I feel disgusting and gross, and I'm going to have a nice shower. This road is super pretty.
Absolutely no wind in here.
No. Yeah. Let's just come sleep in here tonight while we ride out this storm.
It's too hot.
My two loves. Alex has to wear slippers because he somehow lost his shoes.
They got to be on the boat somewhere, but I don't know where they are. So I'm rocking slips. I'm pulling it off, I think.
When I got Alex these slippers, he knifed me. He's like, we don't need that many things in the boat.
Yeah.
Now look at that.
Is that like using stuff till it falls apart?
Look at the slippers. Fish. Anyways, that's a wrap for today's adventures.
Yeah, we're starving. Gonna
Yeah,
make some sandwiches, get out the ghost sun again. That thing's pumping. We're gonna try some corn this time, steam it up.